This video is part one of a series where we'll discuss simple linear regression. Now in this video, we're going to consider again the situation where we have two quantitative variables. And simple linear regression is a technique for more precisely estimating the nature of the relationship between these variables. So once again, the two variables we're going to use in this video are distance to and commute to from the early fall '09 class survey. You might remember that distance to is the distance in miles a student travels from home to the college, and commute to is the time in minutes that a student typically takes to commute from home to the college. Now, to create our regression model, the first thing we're going to do is go up to the menus at the top of the page and select Stat, Regression, and select the Regression option. Now, simple linear regression is mainly used for estimating or predicting values of one variable given values of the other. So we need to decide which of our two variables we want to be able to predict as a function of the other. Let's predict commute time as a function of distance traveled. So I'm going to designate commute to as the response or y variable, and I'll designate distance to as the predictor variable. Click OK. Now let's click in the session window that shows the output of our model. Scroll up and we see that our regression equation is printed out at the top. That is, our regression equation is commute to equals 13.4 plus 0.892 times distance to. Now 13.4 is the intercept term and 0.892 is the slope coefficient. Now Minitab does give us another way to do this. If we go to Stat, Regression, and now select Fitted Line Plot. Well, again, we need to select our y variable and our x variable. I'll select commute to as the y variable, distance to as the x variable. I want to leave the type of regression model clicked on linear. Click OK. And Minitab creates for us a scatter plot where it again gives us the regression model printed out on the plot. Commute to equals 13.44 plus 0.8920 times distance to. And Minitab plots that regression line through the scatter plot. Again, you'll remember that 13.4 is the intercept term and 0.892 is the slope coefficient. Now, in our next video, we'll begin examining some other parts of the output besides just the regression equation to see what each piece tells us about our simple linear regression model.